Hi, hello, I'm definitely here and not distracted at all. What is happening today? Hi. What is happening today? I want to first switch over to screen. Did I set everything up correctly? I should have. Actually, maybe I should double check that I set everything up correctly before I got Godot, got all the stuff for streaming. Yeah, okay, everything is set up correctly. Hello. I am a little distracted for just no reason at all besides just wanting to be. What is the plan today? I want to clean up my code a bit because there is a lot of issues that just cleaning everything up and labeling stuff could help with. But before I do that, I actually want to go to this global use. I want settings. No, what one was it? Game handler. I want function. Clean. Save. Erase. Save. Data. Which is gonna be void. Pass. Alright, erase save data. Does as says and that's gonna be very easy because all I'm gonna do is I'm going to do I think it actually is this update. Oh no, those are the pack scenes. I'm gonna just do what one do I want to do? Let me think about this. I need not in ready. I need all of these. But which ones are which? Platformer, okay. I just gotta do all of these. For night in night. Do update nights completed, night false. Want to do all that, but then I want to do boo, and then outside of there I want to do update nights complete tutorial. What oh wait, no, I gotta do games.tutorial or nights.tutorial. Nights dot tutorial night. Oh wow, I'm struggling here. Tutorial night. True. To do I. Ray save that night's true. I. For game in games to do update games completed to do this should be game true, game false, that's it. And then outside of that, update games completed, it's games dot free, and then that one should be true. true. There we go. Oop. For task and task, I'm actually going to move these around. I'm also going to label them set all nights complete false, tutorial true, set all tasks complete false, then set free to true. Then set all tasks complete false, then set free to true. But this is supposed to say games. There we go. And then this one is update task scenes task false. Oh, not scenes, complete. There we go. And then update task complete tasks dot free true. Okay. That makes sense. Why is that there? What? Okay, that's fine. Boo. So now this should erase everything. What I also want to do is I want to go to add-ons, my config editor. I want to go to the scene. 2D. I want to make a add button. I mean, what was it? This has a script, right? Yeah. Do I? What I need to do is I need to add a button. Erase all save data. Okay. And then that needs to connect pressed. And then that, is it pressed that I want to connect? I think it's pressed. Pressed config erase data connect. Because this one was save button, I'm assuming. Yeah. Erase data. This one's just gonna be game handler dot say game handler underscore erase. What was it? Oh, I didn't save it. That's why I can't erase it. Erase save data. And then if I had save file open, we could see, oh, everything's currently set to false. If I set night1 to true. Oops. Save. Close that. And then I were to actually have this turned on. Erase all save data. Update nights complete in node base scheme. Sure. Oh no. When did that? Hold up. That had to be with. Because this becomes a string when it needs to be an integer. Yeah, and that happens every time. I'm assuming that's happening every time here. And I'm assuming that's just making it fail when that messes up. So I need to do nights dot find key finds and returns the first key who's associated. No, is that what I want? I think it's actually get I want. Get. I think get night. Update nights complete base node. String to integer. Update nights complete. Update save file. Gets night away. Find key night. So that doesn't work. I need to find key night dot get night. Is that the one that works? Don't I have to do I have to do something like that? No. Can't convert from string to integer. Interesting. If I oops night get, does that work? What else is it? What else is there in the find get has is typed key? Turns true if dictionary keys are typed. That's not what I want. Get this should return the value, shouldn't it? The key. So if I did night. Oh wait, do I have to? No. So it's getting a string. But these are integers. How do I convert the string into an integer? In this case, how do I get the integer of the enum? Why do I not know how this is done? Free, that's its own thing. Set value, enemy scene. Okay, wait, how does that one work? Pack scene, set value, enemy scenes, which is a string. Enemy scenes, yes. Enemies find key. Value. Okay, and then what about this one? Save file config set knights complete, knights find key. So keys are knights, which is the which is so this one's the integer. How do I get the integer value of that one? Like that's what I would think this get. Okay, wait. Print knights dot get knight. Oh, it worked? What? Task complete. Oh, that says task complete, which means that this was working all along. I just did not read the full sentence. I'm a genius. Task dot get task. Don't worry, I just spent like 5 minutes being stupid. Games dot get game. Save. Now it just works, right? Yep. And then if I were to go over to the save file, it still currently says true. Let me open show in file manager, because here I'm assuming it will say false. Yep, it just did an update in Godot. So yeah, this button works, which means this command works, which means I can now add a erase save data to the game when I wanna. I probably want to make it so you can't just bump the button, which means I probably need to do what I did with the quit game button. But for now, all of this is labeled. I can close all of these. Close these. Close all. Okay. That was something I had in mind because I realized I want to have a way to erase the save data, especially since I've been erasing it manually, and it'd be nice to have that be a button in the game for the player, and then also just so that way I can erase it myself. Let's see. What code do what have I not like cleaned up? I'm trying to think of what might not be cleaned up currently, because I think I got through a lot of stuff. It's probably more of just the recent stuff I need to look into. Diffuse. Okay, diffuse was more recent. Let's see. Text to be displayed. set text and set text connect to office info fuse signal send change color to good. Boo. When touch set fuse blown false. Let go. If office fuse blown. Oh wow, I didn't write that so I can't see what that means. That's amazing. I'm a genius. Fuse blown. If blown is equal to door, change color to deactive. Boo. Oh wait, I didn't do that. When fuse blown signal is emitted. When fuse blown signal is emitted, change color to deactive if door blown is good to diffuse. Is there a way I can cut that down? When fuse blown signal is emitted, check if fuse connects to door fuse blown. Oops. Change color to deactive. When fuse blown signal is emitted. There we go. Button let go. Boo. If user color when let go. Sure, fuse hasn't reblown. Yeah, I think that works. Now what is this? Office info is probably one I should go check. Do global view scripts, office info. Cause this got a bunch of new stuff with the fuses. Do time doors can be closed before fuse blown. I should label more of these. Do to check it should blown. Let's do fant fuse to check if it should be blown. Emit when fuse is blown. Gives door which fuse blew. Do time of night. Boo. Actually, I probably want this in office thing separated from the time stuff. Do start time, current time. Do time. Actually, do I use current time anywhere now that I'm thinking about it? Control F. I do. Yep. Current is current time is how long been in office. If in office current time is equal to this, if equals that, in office false. Yeah. Because whenever you enter the office, it sets the start time to 0, which should be fine. To do. What I probably. How long been in office? Time when started night. Unix. Else when in office. Also for in menu. Turn false for menus. And then do ID main menu for when completing night. Do for all doors create closed blocks and fuse blown and all doors value dictionary. Start night, run at the start of night, run at the end of night. Connect timer to doors. 2. Fusion toggles E. Boo. Logic for door fuse. Logic for vent fuse. Logic for controlling time in office. Oh wait, why am I writing it all down here when I have a script for the end night? I'm going to just cut pass. Cause that's the reason why it's up here. And that way I can also do it elsewhere. Do end night. What I could do is end night. Could also do it this way. End night if current time. Oh wait, never mind. I'll do it like that. If in office current time like that. If current time is greater than there. Oh I. Boo. Blow fuse door. Run when blowing fuse door. Run when blowing vent. Fuse vent. Let's do it the other way actually. Vent fuse, door fuse. Yep. Office info, game handler. This one, all I've added so far was the erase data. So everything else should be fine in here. There's a lot in here actually. Settings, I have mostly written this one. I'm actually surprised how well I've done this one. Actually, I think disable jump scares is the one that I haven't done yet in here. Oh, I should write this one out. This one's actually a bit of stuff. Boo. Settings has the player's head. Isn't there another place? Doesn't like game handler have the player's head? Is there a place that has the player's head in it as well? Yeah, in the office info. I could have I could set it in one place. But then I need to change where everybody calls it. I think it's fine. It's fine. I'm gonna keep it there. Players head shin. Stuff. Hi. Hero player head position. 3. In choices for Save sections, different settings. Sound settings. Do 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 do. Sound settings keys. Boo. Different settings options within sound settings. Percent of default volume. Percent of volume. I can't think of anything. Percent of volume compared to default volume. All current sound sources. Boo. Height settings, enums, move a player. Follow head offset, adjust height. Adjustment. Different settings options within height settings. Tells through to move stuff as player height with player head true or set stable height false. To do amount that stuff is offset compared to player's head adjusted. I don't remember what this one's for. Amount off of the ground. Mount off of the ground. All nodes that adjust height for player. I don't remember what this adjusted is for. I think it is to tell when stuff has been adjusted for set height. This one's all set, ready, physics process. Move with player head. false. Move a player head adjusted false. When not moving the player and not adjusted, adjust and set true. Just height up, boo. If moving with player head, get head and offset based on offset base position to if moving with player head, if set height, if get tree, node group player head, to do make sure player exists. Set player head to player. Ooh. Scene. To do get all nodes that need to move according to player. Boo for all nodes moving with player set their base height set their base height meta do moving with player do metadata move to head plus offset. Moving get metadata base height. If set height for moving node 3D. Yep. Set metadata move to adjusted height. Just open scene change. Yeah, I think that's fine. Enums, that's all the same. I did game handler, did I? Yeah, these could have more actually. All nights, all task, all games, all enemies. I kind of want to change the enemy names, but I think that's a later thing when I come up with more actual names. Region save variables, reset AI variables, packaging variables. I don't think those really need to be all labeled. Yeah, I think the rest of this is fine. Do, 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 do. Hi. I want input handler. Yeah. I don't think I've done anything. This was the base controls. Close all that. Oh, where is the main menu? That's something I want to think about. Main menu. Cause didn't this one connect to height main menu? Yeah. Do do do. Let's see. Extends PR input enums. Player. Um. To do. Connect input. Able to move. Checks if height can be moved. Right trigger held. Left trigger held. Tells when trigger is clicked and matches hand to held. I think I like held to hand. Tells when trigger is let go and matches held to hand. Do I ever set this to anything but true? I can't think of a time. Oh, I set it to false for a moment. Okay. Hello. So, adjust height with buttons. I have had the stream open on mute for a while for that free view. Well, thank you. I don't mind that at all. it isn't like anything interesting is happening right now. I'm just trying to go through, add some comments, make sure I know what everything does. If I trigger and held. When both triggers pressed, switch height adjustment mode. To do raise, to do when right trigger is held, raise offsets for current. Do raise offsets for current. Held, raise offsets for current. What was I adjusting? Height adjustment mode. When left trigger is held, lower offsets for current adjustment mode. Adjustment mode. Do I think that works. Clock behavior, this one was very easy. Show current time. Set current time. Remove hours to imply as hours game clock. Do. Yeah. Door logic. Deal to input color. If office door close, current color. If what do I need here? To do set door to match with office info. To do color for when door is closed. color for when door is open and enemies can enter. Current color to indicate which state the door is in. When color isn't updated and door closed, color closed. Color isn't open, but door is open. When color isn't open, but door is open, change color. Yeah. I think that's it. I think that's that one. Kind of cleaned up. This one. Ooh. Is there anything else I need to do in this one? To do timer for checking the door. Timer for checking the vent. Ooh, when game is over, I need to set something in this office info. Where is it? Scripts, office info. What was it? It was in office, I believe. Yeah. So office info dot in office is equal to false. Yeah. Computer screen, remove child, computer screen, get child. Yeah. Uh, Instead of doing this, can I do game? Oh no, what is it? I believe it's settings. Player head position. Just kind of connect those two up. I'm trying to think if there's any other thing. Give me 1 second. I want to turn on my light. Grab something. That thing I want to grab. Okay. So what am I doing here? Yeah. That's all. trying to remember what else I would need to do for this. Because I think a lot of it actually is just that I haven't been doing is because whenever I run this, it complains a lot about stuff like not knowing what it becomes. Can I do variant for stuff that like returns a value but doesn't? I'm assuming that's something I can do because that's how all the other ones work. Huh. Because I know that there was ones where I was like, oh, I don't know what this one's returning, but I do in that case. I just don't know where I want to start with double checking all of these. I mean, I guess I could just try and run the game and see what ones it complains about. Let me just open up. Where is it? That one. Okay. Let's put the headset on. Then let me connect the headset. Okay. Center. Open Steam VR. Making sure that doesn't appear on the wrong menu or the wrong window. Okay, Steam VR is opening on the correct menu. I can assume I don't see it. Where is it? There it is. Okay, it is on the correct menu. And then what I do is I'm going to just run the game. And then we're going to see where it complains on load, because a lot of this is what I need to figure out. Yeah. Oh, that's a lot of stuff I should try and figure out. All right. Let's see. Let's just start off at the top. Get IP mention. Export extension IP. Interesting. Signal task complete is declared but not explicit. Used in class. Oh, that's because that's not where I want to use it. It's because it gets declared elsewhere. I'm trying to think of how I would actually address that, because this is because the thing is that this one just connects it to the game. Because somewhere else actually emits this value. This one doesn't actually get used in here. I guess to make it happy, I could just do emit run when task is complete. Function task complete void do and then I just do task complete dot emit, and then hopefully that would get it to stop complaining even though I'm not using it there. Parameter delta use prefix with underscore. So could I do that? Does that complain if I do that? It doesn't. Okay. Interesting. Let me also make sure that all of these either go to a void or the correct one. Void. Yep, all of this is correct. Office info. So underscore delta. Interesting. What's this? Unused parameter office. Okay. And then I guess since I have this open, I should check that everything either goes to a void or something else. Void. These ones are booleans though. Yep. All voids. OA. Process. Physics process. Underscore that delta. Do. I. All of this does void. Standalone Henry operator. Return value is being discarded. Button active if button active, else button deactive. These are returning a value, are they? Which one is it? Standalone? I don't know which one that would be. Oh well. Parameter hand is never used. Function button hold. I guess, does this break anything if I were to underscore these? Because this one is just the next one. Menu communicate declared to do change button text, change given text do I want to do this one. Function stop do menu communicate emit signal, mostly just to make good though happier. Do this one's gonna be menu communicate dot emit. I'm gonna just copy that. To do and then that one is a void. I did do that with the last one I had to add to, right? Yeah. Current scene has no root node. Please modify. Current scene has no root node. One mod. Save anyways. I don't know if that's because this is on, but I'm gonna hope so. Shit. That's not. Whoops. I was supposed to keep that open so that way I can continue working down the list. Well, I guess I run it again. Do. I run it again. Just waiting for it to connect back up. It's not connecting back up. Why is it not connected? It's connected to the internet. Right. It looks like it is. There we go. Just had to like turn it off and turn it back on again. The error link. Okay. Run the game. Okay, there were no errors, but there are less warnings, which is exactly what I wanted. So this is working. Alright, this one, it's complaining that delta doesn't have an underscore, which I'm fine with doing because I don't think this is actually breaking anything. Yeah. I don't think that's actually causing any problems. This one's upset because of something. Yeah, the return value being discarded, but I don't know how I would do that here. Button active. So it must be this button active. Or is it the button deactive? Or it might be a later thing. I don't know. But this one is now fixed. This one, hand input function prefix. Yeah, I'm gonna just prefix all of these ones with that. So I think that is like half of the errors here. Because none of this gets handled in here. All this is just to pass information along. And then all this is already void, which is perfect. Yeah, and then standalone ternary operator returned value is being discarded. Which one has the return value? I believe that is most of these ones, if I'm not mistaken. Computer input handler, left click. Oh, I don't have. Oh, these are the base computer ones. Computer input handler, left click. Wait, that doesn't have no description? What? I don't know what this standalone ten. Maybe I should just look it up. Alone ten hurry who is being discarded. Oh, I can just turn it off. What? Hold up. Distracted. Give me 1 second. Alright, what is this? Alright, now I know it was a bug because it went this. It's like ignore by default. I changed the warning, but for a different reason, I changed it back. It just doesn't pop up anymore. Interesting. I can turn off. I think I am going to turn it off. Just because I have no use for. Because I can't tell which part of it it's complaining about. Because these don't return a value. I don't believe. They're not supposed to. Oh, wait. What one is that? Computer input handler, right click. Attractor 2. Oh, wait. What? Now they're updated? Wait. Huh? I'm not gonna. Never mind. I'm not gonna even think about it. I'm gonna just go here, cause I'm just gonna do this. Put value. Standalone. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to do something about this standalone thing. Is it discarding? Is it worried about the hand? Is that what it's worried about? I'm not sure. Await keyword not needed in this case because expression isn't conjured nor signal. I'm going to believe you. Function parameter range has same as built-in function. I guess I guess I could do given range. Just change these to be given range. Given range. Yeah. Where are you getting that from? Oh, here. Given range. Given range. There we go. Parameter user is shadowing an already declared variable on line 7 in the current class. What does that mean? Oh, it's because user already exists. Wait. Oh, that's correct. It is. Do I need to? Boo. Huh. Let me check out. This is the RPG one, right? If I go to dev test, no, it's computers, screen, games, RPG, scripts, base, attack. Huh. If I do get rid of that, then I need to rewrite it. Is there a point where I don't want to? No, because all of these just use the user, so I don't know if there's ever a point where I need to. I think if I do it, okay, let me close all of these. Save, cancel, cancel. This one I will save. This one I don't know what changed. Okay. If I remove the shadows from here, I'm gonna need to change these ones. Aspect abilities. I also probably should write more information for these guys. Because, yeah, user is declared here, and then it's the same in all of these, which is what's inputting it. Yeah, I'm very tempted to just remove. Like, I really can just remove that, can't I? And it's not gonna cause any problems. Or at least here it's not gonna cause any problems. I know it's gonna complain when I save it. Oh, what? Oh, that's all of these guys, I'm assuming. Yeah. Yoop, yoop, yoop. Oops. Oops. There we go. Yoop. Then you. Yeah. If I do that and save again, I think that fixes it all. But I am realizing that use I'm assuming it's a void. Yeah, you should be void. All of these, do these return anything? No, I think all of these should be void as well. Do okay. This one use void, use void, void. I actually don't know. I actually don't know what this one will do yet. I'll save all of those, and then I want to go into I think all of these are kind of self-explanatory. And when aspect is used, do and when ability is used, and when attack used, do when item is used, item special property times item can be used being consumed. Okay. Aspect name of the aspect, user of the aspect, target the aspect, description of the aspect, to do creature target, all forms of targeting. And then base abilities. To do type of abilities, type the ability is, slash what ability does, cost p of ability base amount of ability does. Base amount of what ability does. Base range to base range of amount that can affect amount base splash range base splash range doing doing amount to enemy base amount to dairy targets. Base reduction. Base reduction to allies. I think it's just allies. Save. Base amount of damage. Range of what damage? Range of actual damage. Range of splash damage to secondary target. Reduction to enemy damage. Amount of MP gained. Range. Modify actual MP gain. Base amount of MP. Alright. Items. Already did this one. I believe that clears up a lot of these. I can close all of those now. User. Okay. Parameter type function change label is not used. That's a good thing. Type text is equal to ability type. Change label base range. I probably should. Oh, this is one where I need to probably add a bunch of writing to it. But I am gonna just do that. Let's see. Do able to display name of aspect label to display target type to display range of effect label to display splash range of effect. Label to show description of aspect. Aspect reference. I don't actually know. I don't remember what this one's used for. Perfect. Background variables. Background sprite. Color of background. Color of background when hovering. Change background size. Change background size to match the dead area. Background color. Change background color. Hovering, not set name set name label to set name label to name. This one can be void. Set name label text to name. Okay. Set target label to target type. Target label text to target type. What does this do again? I don't remember. I think this one just spaced it out. It's not showing me anything. Show me this. It's probably a string thing. What is it? Variable test string. I feel like I did this exactly the same way before. Test dot capitalization. What do you do? Changes the appearance of string and replace underscores with spaces. Add spaces before uppercase. Okay, yeah. Uppercase letters in the middle of a word. Convert all letters into lowercase, then convert the first one. Following spaces uppercase. Yeah. To do set Range. What did this do? Set range label text to display type display effect and range of effect. Set range set splash range label text to display effect and range of effect. Do just calculate range calculates minimum and maximum in range and returns string. In string form. Do all of these ones are supposed to be void, and I forgot to do them. Void. 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 That one is supposed to be a string there. And then this one is also a void. Boo. Set description text to show description aspect. To do I'm also going to move this one up here because all of these ones are like changing the label. This one is doing a calculation. And also in case I'm gonna do region label text update. Do and region. Do region background. Do region background functions. Functions. And region. Yeah. Yep. Alright. Local variable x is declared but never used in the block. Oh, I see what you mean. That. Standalone expression line may have no effect. Make new. Oh, I gotta write more script. That's why it's here. Delta to do another delta problem. All these do go to void, right? Yeah. This one, what are you even? You're supposed to be void, I believe. Yeah. Open menu. Yeah, that one's void as well. Activate done. Boo. This one is void. Update option select. This one is void as well. I need to definitely label what these all do. Take creature select. Void. Okay. Let's see. Run when RPG is done. To do options based on. Ooh, wait, I'm not commenting that one. Load options based on menu opening. There we go. Load options based on menu opening. Open menu. Do update visual update which option is selected. Update which creature selected. Changes current control scheme given. Okay. Ends. Runs when an enemy dies. Loads next wave. Runs when all enemies are defeated to load next wave. Oh, great. This is a mess that I need to worry about. Okay. You. To do all control schemes. Current control scheme. Region waves and region control schemes and region total number of waves needed to complete before total number of waves need to complete before ending game. Current wave enemies all seen and all wave scenes. All wave scenes. Make sure to give many waves as total count. Hi. I should also do export category waves. This doesn't exist, so I'm not gonna do it. Oh, this is a mess. Region do everyone region creature category groups. And region export category all creatures there, all creature groups. Where is selections use? F. Where is that? Where? What? There. To do types of selection of groups for selection. This is gonna be all allies, all enemies, all creatures. There we go. Alright. That's killing me. If I opened up RPG Battle, what does that look like currently? Waves. Oh, there's only one because it only has one to exist. Export category. Menus. Oh wait, no, that's not. It's better. If I hover over this, I can now see those. Yeah. Menus. All menus. Player access. Current menu open. Attack menu. Attack menu. This is all attacks being attacks for displaying attack menus. Attack menu node. All attack displays. All attacks for this. All attacks being displayed. And then I kind of want to move this up to here. To do attack display scene. Attack display scene. All attack display scenes to show attacks, all attacks being displayed. I kind of want to do... groups. Export group attack. Okay, that captures everything underneath. So if I did attack, let's do abilities and then items. Items. Yeah, like that. And then I gotta move these into their spot. I want to make sure I get it into the right spot. Actually, this one can just go up. And this can go into... Ooh, I'm taking too long. Region, menus. Region. Export group. Doop, doop. Menus. Do. Ability. Menu. To hold all ability displays. Ability displays. Display scene to show abilities. All abilities being displayed. And these are showing up here. If I saved it, it probably would. Yeah. Alright, and then items get the same ID. Items menu for displaying, for holding all items, all item displays. Oh, I did this in the, move this around just so I can get it in a better position. All what am I doing? Items menu for holding all item displays. All what is this? This is items display scene to show items. All items being displayed. Okay. Oh, and then I gotta do these top ones. Boo. Option currently hovered. Option currently hovered in. Currently hovered. Spec. Aspect to be used. Okay. That one's good. Oh, okay. It's almost. Oh, I also have to do all of the fun stuff of like void. Because this one needs a void. This one needs a void. This one needs a void. Yeah, that fixes it up. Oh wait, control scheme. You get void. Waves and region. Man, I don't want to do these other ones yet. Okay, I'm hitting the wall. Okay. I got this. Oh, what the? Never mind. I'm losing it. Current ally to reference for menus. Current creature for in turn order. Current creature in turn order. Current target type of ally type of ally for reference menu to open current creature hovered for reference for aspect and aspect as well as current creature hovered for reference as aspect as display location. Directions for joystick input. Direction just got. Okay. distracted. Alright. Visual show current creature being hovered. I want to separate these. Let me think about this. I think I'm just gonna take all of these out and put them at the top. Or put them right here, probably. I just wanted to get them out of the waves. I'll probably try and organize these a little bit later on. Probably, maybe. Current creature groups, menus, waves, everything else. Okay. Perfect. Love getting all that sidetrack going. Fuse, all of these are void, I believe already. Everything here is labeled, it looks like. Yep. Delta. Nope. Narrowing conversion float converted into integer. And let loss precision. Which one? Where in here? Text is equal to get string from Unix time. Current time. Oh, it's because that's supposed to probably be. I probably wrote that to be a float, but it's actually a integer, huh? I'm assuming that's what that is. So if I went to that, probably would get fixed with office info. Changing these instead of being a float, change them to integers. What's this one? Narrowing conversion, float converted into, where's that? 42. Start time. Wait, what? Oh, wait, never mind. No, because those were an error here. Okay, but this is supposed to be a float, but it's being turned into an integer here within this one. Oh, I see. It is being turned into an integer. Wait, why does it... So getting Unix time is a float, but... Huh? Why? Why is getting a Unix time a float, but converting from Unix time, it takes a integer? Why would it do that? That just adds an error. Okay, fuck it, not worrying about that. Oh, what is this? Why am I here? Why am I looking at all of this? I don't want to look at this. Oh no, I don't want to look at this actually. Oh, I don't want to look at this. Views never declared. Oh. Oh, it's because I was gonna... No, actually, I don't want to look at this at all. Actually, I'm gonna close all of these. Save that one, save that one, save that one. I don't want to look at that at all. Declared, but not never explicitly used in this case. You... Alright, all of these guys are gonna need what I did earlier, because I did this earlier in one of them. Never used in class because I need I did it in one of them. What was it? It was like it's one of the menu buttons, space, night. It's probably menu button base. Yeah, I want to just take this and just add this to the bottom of all of these. A viewport that is already it's already active. I don't know when that was appearing, but it's fine. So now all of these are okay. I do probably have to go through all of the button menu stuff, the menu button stuff, and add comments. But that's fine. I'm not going to worry about that. Value is never used. Nope. Delta is never used in the function. OA. Delta is never used. That's like half of the ones. Local variable X is not used. This is the bottom ones for the direction because I don't need the X in this one. Get task typed is never okay. Cursor area entered. So area exited. Delta do area. Narrowing curve version flow is converted into integer, loses precision. Which float? Color stage red. Oh, when do I set that? Color stage red. Control F. It's equal to custom slider color stage. I think because that's all of these guys. I'm pretty sure that's just all of these. Which is okay. I guess what I could do to make the error stop is do integer. And that should make the error stop occurring. I would hope. It doesn't do anything for the calculations. It just makes the error stop happening. Using assignment with operation but variable in precision previously it was not previously assigned a variable. Total in position plus equal 1. Complete tracks. I guess I could set, because this is the same script, right? I guess I could just set those to 0. Total complete tracks. Total position, total. Where are those? Do those even exist? What? Variable total in position. I think these ones I will worry about later. Integral used when enum value is expected. Intended cast it and add to the enum type. Huh? New input is equal to here. What does that mean? Return typed input. Oh. How would that work even? Cast to enum type. Godot. I feel like this isn't the actual what I want. I'll worry about that one later. I think I'm gonna just go through narrowing conversion, float. Let's convert to integer and lost position. Level dot removed. Removed is a float. I don't know about that one. That one's fine. I think I'm gonna just go through and do all the delta ones, standalone. I just skipped that previously, I believe. Standalone values of temporary operator are not mutually compatible. What does that mean? Delta. I can already see that the next one's probably that one. Yep. Await keyword not needed in the case because the expression isn't. I don't believe you. Delta delta. Yep. Okay. That should have cleaned up. If I save all and then close all, should have cleaned up a lot of it. Let's see. Hopefully that got me from like 90 warnings down to like I want to be optimistic and say 20, but I know it's probably gonna be more like 50. Getting into the headset. And load the game. Because I got one immediately. 27. Actually, hold up. And if I get rid of this, if I just because I can just turn off this setting. Setting, project settings, general debug. Is this for a different version of though, where it is? Project settings, general. GD script, there it is. Option called return value discarded. Return value discarded, ignore. Oh. Ignore. It was already set to ignore. Well, let's see if it ignores it now that I've unmarked it and then marked it again. No, it. Return value being discarded. Project settings. Return value being discarded. Warn. Close projects. Ooh, not that one. Save. Project settings. Ignore. Return value being discarded. Enum value without default. I think that one I'll keep the same. And then save that. And then run this. Does that fix the problem? No, it still keeps complaining. Oh well. Get IP modification D-pad binding extension. Where is this coming from? WinXR extension, D-pad extension. That's fine. I think most of this is fine. I mean, that's a lot better than where it was earlier today in terms of what is able to be instead, like I went from having about 90 warnings to having only 27, which is a lot better. I've also done a lot of commenting and stuff. What else? Close all, close that one. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like I don't know what else I would do in here, but I don't know what else I would do for stream. What do I want to do for stream? Kind of thinking if there's anything in mind I have for stream, because I know I should stream longer than 2.5 hours. But what do I stream? What do I do? I mean, okay, let's see just how playable this is. Let's see if I can get through all the nights without it breaking. And let's just write down where everything breaks. Oh shit, don't do that. The headset disconnected as soon as I put it on to press play. Do reset that. I'm gonna back up a bit. Oh wait. How do I reset my view? Because it's not correct. Steam, will you let me do it? I don't know why it stopped appearing in Steam's menu for me to do it. I think if I went actually over on the computer side and then went to Steam. Recenter. I don't think that recentered the way I wanted it to recenter. I hold the headset in place while I click the recenter button. Yeah, that works. I feel like that's also like I feel like that's just gonna hit my computer. Like if I is it just recentering which way I'm facing or does it actually move it towards me? Okay, that seems a little better. I think I'm just gonna play new game. Let's see how far I can get before something breaks. Oh, that guy's moving. Grab, get it, hit it. Yoop. Ooh, click it. Oh, where is he at? Okay, he's still over there. Low AI, it's fine. I have nothing to worry about. Right, and then RPG. Tax. Swipe. Weighing it for. Okay. Oh, I don't have a way to go back, and I forgot about that. Whack. Abilities. Fireball. Yeah. Oh, it goes off screen. I need to figure that out probably. Club swipe. Swipe. Okay. Abilities. A blanket cure. Oh, he's getting closer. Cost. Oh, I don't have the MP for this. Oh, wait. I just realized that if I don't have MP, I get stuck. Oh, that's a genius. I'm so. Okay, wait. No, he's actually getting pretty close to me. What time is it? Oh, it's only 2? Where is he? Oh, he. Okay, so no, he was just slowed at first. Okay, no, now he's actually moving. Club swipe. Maybe I should just make sure. Maybe I should just have everybody. Whack. First blast, you. Do. Oh, why is that 2? Why is that 2 to 2 damage? I feel like that was supposed to be like 20 to 20. I might have screwed that one up. Low below you. Let me go. Let me go. Let me have my turn. Ooh, oh, whack. Swipe. Blast. Club swipe. Oh, he's getting close. I don't think. I don't believe the damage is being dealt properly when an enemy dies. Let me write that down. He's which way? He's going to that left door closest to me first, right? I'm gonna start writing this down, and hopefully he doesn't do anything while I'm writing it down. Oh, headset's lagging a bit, which is gonna be even. Oh, it's gonna be so helpful. Okay, no, there we go. It's fine. What time is it? 4? Okay. Oh, he's in there. Okay. Do. What do I need to do? What do I need to do? I need to make sure enemies damage correctly in RPG. Bye. Make sure enemies damage correctly in RPG. Club swipe. Whack you. Come on. Earth blast you. Yeah, I don't think enemies are getting hit properly. Club swipe. Fire blast. I should also have some way to indicate which ally is the one currently acting. To do spin attack. Gain pity. Oh wait, you didn't need to do that. New weapon. Fire blast. Whack. Oh, headset's lagging. Where is the enemy at? Okay, wait. No, he's walking into here. So he has 2 more stops before he comes at me. Okay, he has 1 more stop before he comes at me. Yeah, no, that ain't working. Whack you. Oh, headset's lagging as well, which is not helping. Booming slash. Fire blast. So as long as no enemies die, it works. It works. It's work. I gotta swipe. Fire blast. Fuck. So I died before he could get to me, which that's a problem. That's a problem. I should, you know, dying before jump scare. That's a problem. Because I didn't even get to hit the door before it jump scared me. Or, oh, sorry, hit my mic. Fuck. Yeah, I didn't even get to do it. Oh, wait, no, I completed the night. That's what that was. Because I went to the main menu, not the game over screen. Oh, he reached my door as soon as it became 6 a.m. That's what happened. I need to have some sort of sound or like a separate menu for winning. That's another thing I should write down. Menu for winning. Yeah. Oh, whoops. I've adjusted the height. Right there. And then I'm going to continue on the night 2. Because, yeah. Oh, wait. Wrong controller. Oh, I should probably also get here. Yeah. That way I can just see when the guy starts coming over. Go into box. There we go. And then for here, I just need to go, shit. Oh, and I broke it. Let's see. I should write that down. Can currently break point and click if choose wrong options. Because those just currently aren't set up, which means I should probably set it up. Also, I seem to have accidentally opened up Blue Sky twice and also Twitch once, which is a whoops. Okay. Let's open the game back up after that crash. And this time, I'm not going to press the wrong button for the point and click, so that way I can actually complete it. Play game. This is a little lower than I had it. Night. Actually, I'll lower it down again. Night select. Yeah, night 2 task is complete, but the night itself wasn't. Okay. And he immediately is moving. Oh, come on. Get in there. Oh, that's not... That broke somehow. Oh, wait, no. This one just is going into the same spot. Oh. That would have been fun to figure out that I've... Maybe I should... Nah, that's fine. That's not something that's top of the priority list. The likelihood of it being 100% behind another object is so unlikely. Grip is finished game. Oh, I think it did finish because... Ooh, I'm getting errors and I don't know what they're for. I should just not touch that computer again right now. Let me see what these errors are for. Main menu handler collision. Oh yeah, that's fine. I don't those are annoying, but I don't think I'm gonna worry about that. Attempt to disconnect non-existent. Oh, that's fine. And all of those were color values testing. Oh, he's on the way. Okay, I guess I should focus on the guy actually coming for me, especially since there's actually a time limit on me. Yeah. This is supposed to take longer, which is the reason why it's only one right now. Okay, he's getting closer. It's supposed to take longer. You're supposed to be more scared, which is supposed to make you make mistakes and take longer as well. So I'm not going to worry too much about how slow he is. I mean, it's not like the enemies appear at your door every hour in FNAF 1 Night 1. It's not like this is unusual. He's a little slow. But I think that's just because it is purely random when they move. It's taking their time. Oh, never. No, I lied. They're on the move now. Oh, I gotta remove the dying before jump scare because that isn't what happened. That was just me not knowing what happened. Oh, headset's lagging, which is gonna be amazing when I get attacked. Oh, come on. Select the one. Okay, one of these does cause loading. Is it when I hit multiple at once? I think it's probably just when I hit multiple at once. Oh, and then I keep it held on there. Because if I just hit that one, nope, that one has a problem, apparently. What is its problem? I'm gonna die looking at this. Oh, you guys can't see what's happening besides all the debugs being printed. Attempt the same texture. Yeah, no, I don't know what to do with that one. This guy is gonna be coming for me. Okay. I want to clear that. And then I want to show the game. Okay. I know he's gonna be coming, but I don't want to press it too early. It's a standstill. I also think when there's more enemies, then it doesn't matter how slow they are because then you're just watching more of them. Go to the door, walk away. Fuck yeah. Hell yeah. Oh, and it's like no way that they're gonna come back in time, especially if they're going to that far ass corner. Yonk. Door fuse. Okay, fix the door. I believe I've also completed night 2. Both the game and the task are done. That guy, there's no way he gets over here in a minute. I mean, it took him 4 minutes to get here the first time. Okay, never mind. He's speedrunning it. He might just get here faster. I might also lower the amount of the like attempts or what is it I'm trying to say? Because currently it's doing a check out of 25. So even on the hardest difficulty, it's not immediate because I didn't want it to be immediate on the hardest difficulty. But I think I should do what's it called? I don't think 25 might be a little too high. I might lower it down to like 22. And there we go. Okay. Play game. I'm gonna press to continue, which should get me into the next night. And I should load here so that way I can see the entire thing. Oh, that also overlaps with the color. It needs 1 and then 0. And then that one's 1 and 0 zeros. Yeah, okay. And then that one's 1 and 2. These have been very easy colors for me. Okay, perfect. What's the jump button? What was the jump button again? Why does it not jump anymore? Wait. Why doesn't it jump? It's supposed to be able to jump. What? Why was it not able to jump before? I don't think I can get through there. Oh, he's... I don't trust. Where's the other guy? Okay. Nope, I don't trust you. I'm gonna just close the door. Please. No, I don't trust it. I don't trust it. Okay, no, it's fine. It's fine. Oh, wait, no, hang on a second. Oh, wait, but I still gotta complete the game. Oh, no! Fuck. Okay, no, he has to go into that room. He's currently in this room. It's fine. I'm dead. I'm trying to... Oh, shit! Don't... Okay, no, wait, he's... no! Wait, oh, did the door... So that's it open, that's it closed, right? That's open. It's hard to... Yeah, yellow is warning. This is supposed to be green, but it looks so yellow. Shit, he's already on the way back? Wait, where's the other... No, wait, that's the first guy. Okay, where is... Okay, he went to the back corner, so I have some time. I have some time to complete this game. Come on, please. Ah. Okay. It's completed, but it doesn't it's completed, but it doesn't have any way of checking where to go from here. Okay, wait, no, I don't like you. See, he's just a lot more aggro. I don't trust him, but I don't want to keep the door closed for too long. Just move already. Move. Oh shit. Okay, wait, no, he moved backwards. Okay, I can relax a little bit. The game is complete. Okay, no, he's just scaring me. Oh, that's a problem, but I'm afraid to write down that problem. Hilarious. Where's the phone? I need to be ready to just like throw my controller at the thing. Okay, he went backwards. Oh, but he instantly went into the room. Okay. No, I'm about to get jumped if I write this. But I gotta write it down. Enemies. Enemy. Run. Is he coming for me yet? Running. Like this. I'm not ready for it. Close. What time is it? It's only 4. Ah, nope, go away. Okay. Dropped. Oh, I dropped the other controller. Enemy running into each other, into each other. Okay, he's in the middle. Yeah. Okay, no, it's fine. He ran away. Loser. Loser. I wrote it down. It's all fine. I don't have the second controller. Oh, fuck. I forgot the... Where are they? Okay, they're both in there. Give me the controller. Okay, running into each other. I'm gonna say that's fine. Oh, you can't see it because I've hit. Fuck me. I need to just make this have its own visual on the scene. Okay, guys. Guy is coming for me. Okay, just got one more minute. Coming. He's coming. Okay, it's fine. Yes, get stuck on each other. Oh, wait, nope. They were going into a different place. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that guy is almost back at me. He's in a room, which means he's further away than he could be. I really do like the blue guy being more chaotic. I think it is good to have someone on a path and then that chaos guy really just to scare me. Okay, like that. I don't think he can enter the room unless he is like over here from my memory of how I set it up. He might be able to go shit, hit the microphone stand, sorry. He might be able to go directly from oh, I'm not paying attention. Where are either of you? Where are you guys? Did I win? I won that one, right? I really do need to have another screen. Night 3 complete. Yes. So night 4. This one is where okay, everybody is being interested. Yoop. 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 Oh, is he already coming for me? Oh, I broke the game, so it's fine. What? Infel assignment, property type selected, the key type bool on base object null. Current track selected, false. Interesting. I broke something with this one. So let me write down task 4 is broken. Okay. I think that was a good way to fill out. I think. I want to go eat. I'm gonna go eat. Which means I'm gonna go end stream. Yoop. Do. Play that. Okay, yeah. 3 hours is fine. I should. I want to do more. I want to stream longer, but also I just hit a wall when it comes to making these. Option, make sure enemy damage correct in RPG. Yeah, I'm just looking at all the stuff that has to happen. Do enemy running into each other. Yeah, no, it's fine. I think for some of these I have some ideas how to fix. Like enemies running into each other, I could have it so that I lower the time they are walking for. Or I can have it so that if they collide with each other, they stop walking. That's potential. Yeah. All right. Have a good night, everybody. Bye-bye.